Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix survivor.io crashing. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix survivor.io crashing. So if survivor.io keeps crashing, try these fixes in the order that I will be telling you. First of all, do the thing that everybody will do, restart the game. So first close survivor.io and reopen it and check if the game crashes again. You can restart your device, so a simple reboot clears temporary memory issues that can cause random crashes. Update survivor.io, open the App Store or the Google Play Store and see if there is an update. Update your phone, maybe your phone has an update and that's why the game is crashing. Free up storage, so make sure you have at least 2 to 3 gigabytes of free space available. Low storage can cause games to freeze or crash. Close background apps, of course, try doing that also. And at the end, you can, of course, for Androids, clear cache, but if you want your cache to be cleared on an iPhone, you need to go and reinstall the game. And of course, at the end, check your internet connection if, of course, the crashes happen. But if none of these things help, go and contact the survivor.io support. They might know what the problem is, or you can check the servers if they may be down. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.